Recognizing the early signs of heat stress can help protect your rice crop before serious yield losses occur. This condition is associated with thermal stress, which develops when temperatures rise above the levels rice plants can tolerate for normal growth, development, and reproduction. The symptoms can vary depending on the growth stage of the rice plant. During the early stages, severe heat can cause seedlings to weaken or die. Plants may produce fewer tillers, while the leaves can curl, dry out, and develop a scorched appearance. The flowering stage is particularly sensitive to high temperatures. Heat stress can interfere with pollination, causing rice panicles to become pale or silvery white and appear wilted or drooping. During grain filling, excessive heat can interfere with grain development. Some spikelets may remain sterile, resulting in fewer filled grains and lower grain quality. Ultimately, severe heat stress can significantly reduce both rice yield and grain quality. Heat stress occurs when temperatures remain above the critical range required for healthy plant development. Both daytime and nighttime temperatures can contribute to the problem, but unusually warm nights can be especially damaging because they reduce the plant's ability to recover from daytime heat. High temperatures combined with inadequate water supply can make the situation even more severe. Changing weather patterns and rising temperatures are contributing to an increased risk of heat stress in many rice-growing regions. Because heat stress is an environmental condition rather than a disease or pest problem, biological pesticides or chemical treatments are not the appropriate solution. Instead, the best strategy is to adjust cultivation practices and reduce the plant's exposure to extreme temperatures whenever possible. Choose rice varieties with suitable heat tolerance and consider early maturing varieties when they fit your local growing conditions. Adjusting the planting date can also help. In some regions, planting earlier allows the crop to complete its most sensitive reproductive stage before the hottest part of the season. In other situations, slightly later planting may help move flowering beyond the peak heat period. Maintain an adequate water supply, particularly during flowering and other heat-sensitive stages. Proper water management can help keep plants from experiencing additional stress during heat waves. Good soil management is also important. Incorporating organic matter can improve soil structure and water-holding capacity, helping plant roots access moisture more efficiently. Deep tillage may improve soil structure where appropriate, but cultivation practices should be adapted to local soil conditions and farming systems. Apply nitrogen carefully rather than giving the entire amount at once. Splitting nitrogen applications can improve nutrient availability throughout the growing season and help maintain balanced plant growth. During periods of extreme heat, monitor the crop closely for signs of water stress, leaf curling, and poor flowering. The key symptoms to remember are curled and scorched leaves, fewer and smaller tillers, pale or silvery white panicles, poor pollination, and sterile spikelets that fail to develop into filled grains. Choosing suitable varieties, adjusting planting dates, maintaining adequate water, and improving soil health can all help rice plants cope better with periods of extreme heat. Follow the channel for more practical tips on keeping your crops healthy. If you'd like, I can also turn this into a 9-scene YouTube short script with matching 3D botanical image prompts showing the symptoms at seedling, flowering, and grain filling stages.